Hi, welcome to Let's Unpack with Butlu. I've not been feeling great, hence I've taken a little bit of a break from the podcast and social media. And what I'm Eastern Cape. Yabona ngoku. Yo, yo, yo. Where do I even start? Ndiqala phi? If you were just between me and you, if we were to start talking about the Eastern Cape as we sit njengoba sihleli njena ngoku kuthiwe masithethe ngephondo leMpuma Koloni politically the ANC hayi tata ziyakhamana. I don't know if I should start with the matric question of the matric certificate of the comrades, the Ngcuka being back on his throne, the factionalism in the ANC, the PEC being back and still bullying the secretary of the province, Ululama Ngcuka Ithobi, the Lwazi Rhotya's recent, I don't know what to call that. Kuningi, but I'm gonna have to break down for the subscriber of Ubudlu channel. Yay! Mandinbulele. I want to thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. All 12,112 of you. You are 12,112. I want to thank each and every one of you. Because of you, nam ndiye YouTuber, ndiye podcaster. We are on our journey to establishing the podcast. Right now, yay. Yabona politically i-ANC ngaphansi. On our last episode we spoke about la nto ndingayaziyo ibisenzeka Saturday Ascension Convention, where Ombalula Nonomfula Sencho the leadership suddenly changed minds regarding the list or the announcement of mayors. We had covered that. Following that, there was a manifesto launched at Deep Kloof in Johannesburg. There's nothing to talk about there. We were not interested in everything they had to say regarding the manifesto ANC. They lied and said a whole lot of nothing. The only thing that everybody came home with is the click of Umalula, which is something that he wanted to trend for. Look, politicians always want to be relevant, social, but for no trend all the time. So Umbalola said click, and that's the only thing people got from that manifesto launch of the ANC. If I were to ask, even if benophuma baphandle, ndehle apha mhlambi noba ndingena apha eGompo, okanye eziphunzane, ndibuze uba iwethu uMamelo Ramaphosa Saturday ebesithini, ndibuze nje normal person. I don't think any person would remember what the president said, what the manifesto is of the ANC, except for there's nothing to remember between me and you. I was listening. There is not much to take home seriously from the ANC. This is not about that. Today we're going to discuss masiqale ngale nto ye-matric certificates. Umalusi olungileyo sentsho uShepherd Uraza, the grade 12 that many comrades of the ANC in the Eastern Cape do not have. Like yaliwa e-Eastern Cape, abantu abangena matric bayaflekwa, baboniswa uhamba khaya and kuthanda banzima bade babhaleleta. They've written a letter to the chair uKhalima Motlanthe besithi oyini khawuyeke. Sentsho uba oyini yintoni namadoda, oyini khawuyeke batsho kuRhalima, oyini khawuyeke khawenze ngathi awuboni uba sina matric. Sentsho yintoni man, abamcengi ingchazile ke la leta yabuya isithi sentsho hayi uMontlanthe wabuyisa ileta ethi andidlali kanjalo, imatric okanye kuhamba khaya. Now, that is what is currently happening in the ANC. I want to break down something that is very important regarding the whole everything of the ANC in the Eastern Cape. uNgqwetho ubuyile ofisini. Masiqale apho. I'm not my best self. I'm not feeling that great. Ndizawuzama nje uthi qabaqaba ntambe ndibuyele ndiyolala. Now, the Ngcuka is back. Itsunami himself is back at the office. And the first thing he did, ubuyiswe nini nakanene? Was it Monday? The first thing he did, bekunini? Thursday. Into yokuqala yenzileyo ubize i-meeting with the others, i-regional chairs and secretaries, the PEC, banamakditywane. Kukhona into ethi ke, I haven't verified, yes? I haven't verified this. I'm told that law meeting we attended yedwa, as in people did not attend that meeting. Now, between me and you, I don't want to call that contempt. Ndisike ndasithanda esi silungu sase-court. But I still need to verify if nyani okanye leli mene belindibriefa ukubana iNgcuka ibize i-meeting abayi-attend. Ndiyibonile ke la letter ye-meeting. uNgcuka ubuyiselwe i-meeting iqale phaa ngo-10 le kaMbalula. Ngo-11:30 wakhupha ileta wathi izanaphi. Wabiza i-meeting. And apparently nobody attended to that meeting that was called by iNgcuka. And le genge kaMabu iyahlekisa ngaloo nto ithi they wanted to prove that uMabu has power, so people will not listen to iNgcuka, they're going to listen to uMabu. Little do they know or understand that anything here in the Eastern Cape eyenzekayo political in the ANC, noba bangapetsula bathini, izawugqitha edeskeni kaNgcuka Ithobe. Ndifuna leyo ihlala ikhona at the back of our minds. Yes, ningageza nithini, but he is the provincial secretary and yonke into will bow to him. Izawugqitha kuye noba ningangamboni na kwaze kwathini. Most lanto, it's about popularity lanto leadership. Ubana how popular is ubani. uNgcuka, he doesn't strike me as a person who contest popularity. Upholile, and in fact I think ngabantu baziselela i-ashwagandha. Into lanto yena i-ashwagandha, la pilisi yokuba uphole apha kule ndawo yokucinga. Now, they did not attend, allegedly they did not attend the PEC and the provincial secretaries and provincial chairs. Khange bayi-attend lo meeting, ingabe namsebenzi ke leyo masiqithe kuyo. There is a question of lists, ne, apha Eastern Cape. Lists ezo that PR lists of each local municipality, who is going to be the MMC for what, the you know, the chief whip, the what, lists of municipalities. They need to be presented to the provincial office and they need to be approved by the provincial secretary, which is Ululama Ngcuka Ithobe. Now, ingxaki bekhona, because iyaqonda ubana the root of the problems ase-Eastern Cape bubuqhetseba bokukokotela into edibene ne-list zee-branches, abantu abazaba ngoceba, babe khona abangafunwayo, babe khona abafakwa ngeforce, babe bengafunwa ngabantu ababavota. You've seen videos. We've heard people speak. We've had people leave the ANC because of that. They're going to the UDM and the MK and the other parties because ANC ayimameli. ANC ide yaya ecourt isisa ANC igenge kaRhotya isa ANC ecourt, wawin about 4 to 5 times. Isithi icourt uRhotya uright, ANC irongo, but still basaqhubeka baqina enyaleni. Masibuyele ke to the conversation at the table. The PEC, Provincial Executive Committee, is back in the Eastern Cape. And yazi, hey madod, they think they will frustrate uNgcuka Ithobe. they choose to blue tick the court kuba bezazi uba banamandla phaya eLuthuli House, kuba beyazi bana i-force, the boss that is in charge of the ANC is their force, and everything uzakwenza lento ufunwa ngabo aba barongo kwi-ANC at the expense of the ANC on the eve of elections. I don't even know. I don't know if you if you guys understand le nto ndithethayo. Kusekuzeni kusa kwe-local elections, i-ANC ilwa yodwa apha eMpuma Koloni. Amadoda amadala awanqandi, instead akhetha amacala okanye akhethe umka embuthweni. Akho mntu kwi-ANC umayo abe nesibindi sokuthi yemvuka ba yiyekeni le nto bekufanele uba kuthi kulungiswe izinto isitori. Bendike nathi ke last time bekufanele uba bathenga ibhotile bayibeka aba babini, uNcungayithobi noMabuyane, bayibeka apha basele and sort this thing out. It shouldn't be. It's over a year, ngunyaka uphelile ngoku oko kusilwa abantu ababini apha e-Eastern Cape. Ingathi sentsho ingathi abanye abantu ziimbombozi, ingathi abanye abantu they are just existing. Kodwa we have leaders in the Eastern Cape that have capacity to run this Eastern Cape and stop this thing that is happening. Of course, it's not Umbalula who's going to recall okanye abize aba bayithi wayeke washouta at a certain conference wathi Mabuyane noNcungayithobi yekeni mani lento, but kwayena uboss wathatha icala. Silapha ke ngoku because this has been enabled and balwa ngento yokokubana mna ndizaba ngaphezulu. I will always win because the leadership is on my side. Omnye uthi mna I will always win because I am in the right and the court is on my side, the law is on my side, the constitution of the ANC is on my side. Yona nto kuliwa ngayo apha zinkani. It's inkani ne-ego versus it's the same yonke le nto. Ladies and gentlemen, eyona nto ke bendifuna uthetha ngayo apha it's le nto ye-matric result certificate ezingekhoyo, into yokubana abantu okanye ooceba be-ANC abanametriki elityeni. Sentsho abanametriki emva kwendlebe kuzawuthwani ke ngoku? Kusentsho uba kuzawuthwani because it's over 60 apparently. Just umasipala, ngompilo umasipala kuthiwa ina over 60. But i-candidates azikwazi uba okanye is the entire list yase-Eastern Cape abana-matric. Now, the underlying problems here, it's ukungabi ne-matric kwabo aba basezilistini bafakwe ngetshova. Number 2, yamadoda bendike ndasebenzisa la language ke ilumenzayo ndathi kuyanyewiwa, kuseza konyukela, kuseza banzima ku-ANC because there will be a point where things are vetted kubonwe ukubana wena ubuwenzelwe ngoma friend internet cafe, then ke ngoku ithathwe isiwe kwi-Hawks and you are investigated and arrested for a fraud aba basubmithe izinto ezifake apha kwi-ANC. Be that as it may, as we stand now, the IEC is waiting. Independent Electoral Commission is waiting for the lists of candidates ezizawuvotelwa ngabantu, and the ANC have not decided ukubana ngobani abantu abazabavotela. Hayi zange kwanje kwi-ANC, zange kwanzima olu hlobo embuthweni kaKhongolose. Ndiyayiva ke leyo grade 12 uRhalima uthe andlale apha. Uba wona grade 12 phuma ecaleni. Uyithini le ise abantu ecourt yokubana kukho aba bantu bafakwe ngobuqhophololo kule nto yale nto i-leadership. Uzithini ii-disputes ezi icourt yayithezisana i-raw data? Uyithini i-conference le ingabanjwayo because of le raw data ingathi ziswe? Sentsho sithini ke ngoku apho? Nantsi ke into eyenzekileyo Saturday. Bendiqale ndathi ingcuka ibuyisiwe i-PEC. Ingcuka yabiza meeting, allegedly it's not been attended. Now, there was a provincial, njengoba thina sibhizi eSandton Convention Center, there was a provincial electoral conference where they presenting lists. Apparently, ingcuka iphinde ya-underminwa apho, and they convener uKhumbayi allegedly again, because bendingekho bendilapha eSandton, hijacked the whole thing and did something around the list which should not have been done. Iyidyuti okanye i-function ka-provincial secretary. I'm not well briefed on what has happened on Saturday in that ICC. And I don't know if ICC no bepika icala, but in the Eastern Cape, I'm not sure what happened on Saturday regarding the electoral list. But ikhona into yenzekileyo. Nto leyo yenzekileyo izawuphinda ibuyele deskeni kaNgcuka Ithubi. I was looking at him just today folding hair. Uthe kanje. Kumvoko ngapha nguWilliams Kumano ngapha. But it's two comrades talking to him. Ufolde i-hands. Ukhona osherishe i-post pha ku-social media wathi, the sender is folding. The sender is folding. Now, I laughed hysterically. Hey, can I say hysterical? I ndihlekile between me and you. Now, back to the conversation of kuza kwenzeka ntoni from here. Sinengxaki yabantu abangafundanga abakokotela i-matric certificates. That's number one. Number two, sinengxaki ye-corruption eyenziwe emasebeni ekufakwe abantu abangafanelanga bana baphayana abangafunwayo ngabahlali. Ingxaki number two, ba-imposwa yi-leadership le ye-ANC ingene ngomgunyathi kwayona. Ingxaki number two. So yonke lento izawulungiswa kuNgcuka Ithubi apha ku-ANC. Now the question of course is, will it not be too late when they start fixing these things? Akuzuba late na, because abantu bona bayamka kwe-ANC bayozikhangelela ezinye indawo okanye amakhaya ombutho wezopolitiko. Kubi kulaa nto. Sensuwa kubi kulaa nto, but ke the other thing I wanted to cover, which I'm not done with this assignment or this activity, I wanted to present to you okanye to open a room of, to open a class, to start a classroom with you and explain into yokokubana local government ime olu hlobo. Xa wena ulapha eQoboqobo uzawuvota kuhambe kanjani, uvotela bani, kuthini, zingaphi ballots and all those things, izawucaciswa nge-IEC leyo. But I wanted you apha kwi-ANC uunderstand into yokubana umasipala nomasipala unezihlalo ezingaphi ezizibizwa ubana PR okanye council members, or the list of council members. I made an example of iAmathole pha. Ndathi iAmathole njengoba yenzile nje, Amathole District Municipality, it's the first municipality yalapha Eastern Cape, it's Amathole District Municipality. Njengoba yenzile nje, ingumasipala ombaxa okokuqala. It's got 36 seats in council at the moment, right? I-ANC ine-seats eziyi-36, i-ANC. I-total se-seats ze-council ziyi-47, but i-ANC ina-36. I want to think that the EFF has 5 seats, The DA has 3 seats. The no. The UDM perhaps has 2 seats. The DA has 3 seats. The ATM has 1 seat. You can verify that for yourself. I'm not quite sure. Kodwa ke into endifuna uthetha ngayo into yokubana i-ANC eAmathole ine-seats eziyi-36. Hey, and between me and you, I don't want to lie. I don't know what their chances of retaining those seats are, but njengoba bexabana nje besilwa balwela ezi zihlalo, ezi zitulo ziyi-36. Out of the 36 seats, this is how I can break it down to you. Out of the 36 seats, we have 19 PR, public representative seats, and we have 22 local municipality seats. Right? Now, ndifuna uqala ndikubonise alpha no chronologically into yokubana unumber 1, unumber 2, number 3, unumber 4, unumber 5 ndicinga uba ngabona bakhokheleyo kule nto yezi list. Unumber 1 being the executive mayor. Unumber 2 uzawuba speaker. Am I correct? Yes. Number 3 is the chief whip. Number 4 is the deputy mayor. Then we have the MMCs. Masambe ke siye Amathole at the moment. We have umayor, uTaima uAnele Nzangani. We have number 2, uOnke Mgungulwa, who is speaker sasiyaMathole. We have number 3, uchief whip Nanziwe Khulashe. That is number what? Number 3. We have number 4, the seat that is vacant for the mayor, yasiyaMathole. Unfortunately, she has passed on and the seat has since been vacant. Ndiyaqonda ke ubana izawufilishwa njengobana sisiya kule nto nje yenantsika ye-elections. Now, a district municipality has about how many directorates? Where each directorate needs to have an MSC, no, rather MMC. But in the context of district municipality, is it an MMC? Naganan? Good district municipality, are they called MMC? Okay, babizwa ntoni? But as directorates, it will be engineering, special SPU indon, special programs, SPU. It's engineering, it's SPU, it's LED, it's sports. Sports are SPU. We have finance, we have community services, we have corporate services, and apparently there's some other additional members that sit on that council. In this case, bekuthiwekeze ndenza umzekelo of eParliament. EParliament uyabona bana kukho upresident. Kukhona uspeaker waseParliament. There's a chief, I think there's a chief whip also. There's a deputy speaker, legislature, umzekelo. Then at a provincial level, there's MEC. Now, at a national level, there's the members of parliament. No. There's the ministers. And below the ministers, there's the members of parliament, ordinary members of the of parliament abagcwalisa nje izitulo. Mhlambi ke bakhe banikwe into bakha ucherish into ethile, ikomiti ethile. You understand? That is what we're having in the district level of the municipalities zase Eastern Cape. Dijonge Amathole. I said we have 36 seats. Kofuneka sibale sonke ke. So at the moment, nguMayor Anele Nzangani, nguSpeaker Onke Mgungulwa, number 3 uChief Whip Nanziwe Khulashe. Number 4, it's the vacant seat for the deputy mayor. Then we have the MMCs, which I don't know how to call them in district municipalities, but we have the head Oh, HODs. They HODs, I think, which is HOD ka engineering, HOD ka finance, HOD ka SPU, HOD ka LET, ka engineering, ka sports, ka corporate services, ka community services. That is about 12 so far. 12 directorates, ne? Then we left with 7 on that list. By 7 bazawuhlala babe zii-additional members abantu abakhoyo kwi-council. Mhlambe ungathi ke wena members of parliament okanye members of of the House of Legislature, provincial legislature. They are just MPs. They are members, additional members that are sitting on that council. Then we add the 22 that get voted, apparently, that get elected by the party. Bayachongwa iparty into yokubana okay, wena uza apha edistrictini uzohlala kwi-council on behalf of intsika yethu, umzekelo if besisechrisani masithi ke on behalf of inkonkobe iphi? No, intoni le nantsi Raymond Mhlaba apha eMathola. On behalf of Raymond Mhlaba, we are going to have 3 members of the council ezisuka kula local municipality, depending on bana i-votes zihambe njani kuzo. But ubana ke criteria bayimithile kuzawuhluzwa ke ngola hlobo labo bana okay percentage, then we can give you 2 seats in council. It will be decided from that local municipality until we have about 4 or 5. No, we have 5 or 6 local municipalities zaseMathole, Mbashe, Mnquma, Raymond Mhlaba, Estatara Mindon. Estatara Mindon kana? Mahlathi. Then we have Ingqushwa. That is 5 local municipalities. So each out of the 22 seats that are for the local municipalities, I believe maybe 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. It depends. Mhlawumbi each municipality izawuza ne-4, then ke ibe khona le ivotelwe kakhulu izawuza na-5 or 6 members ezizawurepresenta la masipala kwi-council. That is what the list is, and that is what is being decided upon. Now, namhlanje, the 25th, which is Tuesday, the 25th of August, at at the ANC national level, there is a special NSC meeting ezawudiscussa le nto idibene nale list. From everything I've been shwaqing and yonke le nto bendiyithetha above, i-Eastern Cape is facing ezi problems zingaka on the eve of 1, elections, 2, of the deadline ka-IEC, because IEC yona ifuna ukwazi ubana ANC ngubani lo uzawuvotelwa ngabantu. Senjongubani lo uzawuvotelwa ngabantu nithi bangavotelwa. Iyabuza i-IEC. The ANC in the Eastern Cape does not have any of those answers. Into abayaziyo zii-factions nokulwa bodwa. Yemadoda, I think iyava ndimfixene kuningi man. Manibulele ngexesha lenu. Igama lam ndingubhutlu, ndingunolali weGungqayi. 12,100 and something of you that have subscribed. I want to thank you, and I want to encourage you to continue engaging me. Mangathethi ndedwa kule nto yalento. This thing of YouTube. Engage me, suggest, challenge me, talk with me on those comment sections, and please do share the link, subscribe to the channel, and tell your family, friends, Makwapeni, whoever is interested in current affairs and politics of the Eastern Cape, to please subscribe too. Until next time, shap shap.